It's Heather with Ideas to Come, and I didn't even realize I was here printing and cutting and crafting, and I said I was going to include you guys, and I didn't. So thought I'd turn on the camera real quick, and all I'm doing is these are some images that I had on my computer. And I'm going to make little bags out of them. I'll have to grab one of those for you so you could see. And I forgot to distress this one before I distressed it. What did I do with the lid? Okay, oh, there it is. Lost my lid. Tim Holtz Distress Ink. It's an old one. It is vintage photo. And this thing is loud. They don't make this anymore. Well, they do. You can get them, but they're really, really expensive. So I'm so glad I got mine when I did. That's funny about tools. I have to have tools. So hopefully this is going to be loud. Prepare yourself. This is going to be loud. And that's what it does. And I should have did the backs of these now that I'm thinking about it, because it does like curl to the front. And then you gotta do it again. So let me see if this helps. I don't know if this is gonna help doing the back, because you don't really see the back, but when you distress it with this thing, a lot easier than doing the little distress tools. So much easier, and I'm so impatient anyways with doing stuff. So if you're impatient like me, you have tools. And I don't have a lot of time, so so I printed all these up, I cut them out, I embossed them. I don't know if you can see the embossing on these with different embossing folders that I had. This one has butterflies, and if you can see that, you can see that big flower. Some I embossed too good, and this one, hardly tell that it's embossed unless you really look at it, but it makes them look really pretty. This is how they look otherwise. So that should show you. Yeah, so we're gonna pause just a second. I forgot how to pause this, so I'll probably have to put two together. Okay, so this is what I was doing. These are tracing papers. And I just bought this tracing paper from, I think it was Michael's. And I probably used a 40% off. But you can get the tracing paper at Walmart, and it's the same. I bought some from Walmart. I don't know what I did with it. It was in here. I was going to show you so you could see what it looks like. But anyways, it's just tracing paper for artists. And you can get that probably anywhere, but it's more expensive at Michael's than it is at Walmart. It's $2.97 or $3 something at Walmart, and it's just their tracing paper. And then I made it into an envelope. So that's what I'm doing. Sorry about the noise. So I just printed these up. I have some here. These are only on paper, and this one is on cardstock. I think cardstock's probably better because I'm embossing them. And I'm just using random embossing folders to do it. But anyways, so here's, I haven't eaten breakfast. I gotta eat breakfast. I'm hungry. So, I've been working like a lot. When I quit my job, I worked at in an office. I was the office operations manager, and I worked there for about 9 years. And I'm gonna see what the difference is between the cardstock and the paper when embossing them. And I know I don't use my big kicks correctly, but oh well. I was tired of the office and the environment. Let me pick a embossing folder out of here. So after 9 years, that one's pretty, I like this one. So after 9 years, I decided to quit. And surprisingly, I was not, oh, that's too thick, duh. Surprisingly, I was not afraid to do it. I got another part-time job, and I started working. I had already started working for Uber and Lyft before I even decided to quit. I wanted to get familiar with that again, because I used to do it years ago. I wanted to get familiar with that again, and then, yeah, too much here. And I cut the paper, so, yeah, see the paper's cut. That's okay, because when I glue it on, it's not going to make a difference. I do the same thing on this one. And so I did. I talked to them. I told them I wanted to leave, and the environment was not healthy for me. And so I left and started doing the other, and this one was just as bad. So this one, cut this one too as well, but not as bad. So I don't think there's much difference. This one you can see better than this one, I think. That's what I think. So I like the cardstock better than the other one. And I did well, but I think I have this problem of pushing myself to the max. And I think I just pushed myself way too hard. And I got really tired. And so when my boss called me to come back, I said yes. And I went back. I don't know if I like that one. Oh, that's the other thing I wanted to show you, the backs. So I went back. And then they cut my hours, which seemed kind of not cool after they asked me to come back. I'm going to try something else this time. Try it like that. And, which was okay, because I was still driving, and I could still drive. And so I do that now when on my day off from my other job. Can you guys see? I'm sorry. I can't put this table's small, so I mean this desk, yeah, table. So I went back, and now I'm regretting going back because it's really boring to me. Sitting at a desk all day, not doing anything. And the expectations are still there, somewhat. And I don't like that. Don't regret letting me go and then ask me back and cut my hours and still try to act some of the ways that you did. It just doesn't make sense. But anyways, I am so loving driving. It's so fun, but it's very tiring. Very, very tiring. I was even going to start a channel for that, and I still may do that. Just talking about that stuff, you know, and where's the ones that I already did? Okay, so that's that, and then we go from here. I already, I don't know if I want to do that one. Maybe this one. I like this one, but I can see white, and I don't like that. And I don't want to mess up my distressing either. I distressed it the wrong way too. I should have turned it the other way, and it looks better. It's okay. It don't matter. It does not matter. That's what I keep telling myself. It does not matter. So then I decide how I want this. And I have to put it this way because it's too small the other way. I need to get my scoreboard. I have one in here, but I don't have the little stylus to use on it, so I need to get that. Sorry about that. Had to go get my distress ink. It was in the room. Oh, that looks cool. It kind of brightens it up in a way. I need to get blue too. Oh, that's so cool. Ah, that looks pretty. That looks a lot brighter, see, than that one. Pretty. I didn't even think about that till now. See, and that's funny because I'm standing here talking to you guys doing this, and I'm getting inspired. Inspired. Oh, that's so awesome. I need water too. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. So I'm going to be making, so it's like a glassine bag. And see, I didn't want my table, so now I got that all over the back. But it doesn't matter, because that's all good. And I'll be making some more of these. So that's going to be it for today. Stay tuned. I hope to make another video soon. And comment and let me know what you guys think. Tell me something about yourselves and what's going on. And I don't know, there's so many new products out there, and it's like, wow. But I will talk to y'all soon, and I will be back. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.